is Raindrops. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning drop, welcome back. Today's video is a hair video. I'm going to be trying my first human hair wig. Now I'm going to insert some clips because I actually did this intro, and for some reason this iPhone 11 thing with this speaker in and out, you could not hear what I was saying. So I've already taken the wig out of the package, showed it to you guys, and I'm going to show you again here. This is the Koko Curl Natural HD Lace. It's by Mayde Beauty. I got it from one of the local beauty supply stores I like to shop at. This wig was, sorry y'all, like I said, I took it out already. This was originally $149.99 and I got it for $99.99. And this is a stock card. This is what she originally looked like. And it is pre-plucked HD lace, ear to ear, 100% hand-tied lace. It says, again, pre-plucked and customized lace part for most natural and laid parting area, soft lace, bleachable, dyeable, stylable, shed-free. Now, it also says edge to crown, deep 5-inch lace part for full coverage and all-around natural look. So, when as you saw when I took it out of the packet, it looked just like it did on the stock card. This is what it looks like now. It's still a little damp, but I co-washed it and I did pluck it a little, but I'm assuming because these wigs come right out of the beauty supply store, they are not, unless they're one of the higher price ones, they are not made, the construction is not like the others I see here on YouTube. So this is the lace. And I don't think I'm gonna have any trouble melting the lace down or blending it. This is the parting area. But I did pluck, there wasn't much shedding at all. But when I did pluck it, I got a little bit, and it still wasn't a lot. But as you can see, there's not much plucking you can do because of the tracks on the ends. But, and it's a middle part. So we're gonna go ahead and apply this. Again, this does have combs. It's 2 in the front, 1 in the back. I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out. And then we can go ahead and apply the wig. Also today, I'm gonna be trying, normally when I do the wigs, I use the Ibn, all the way over there. But I use the Ibn spray. I wanted to try something different because when I started out using the Got To Be Freeze Blast. I don't really like that. It kind of broke my, left like a mark on my head, and it does that sticky white residue. So I'm gonna try the ORS olive oil, and this is their Fix It Super Hold Spray. So we're gonna see how this does. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut these out and we can get started.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.